Daiso Japan's famous 100 yen store, where most things are found in just 100 yen plus tax. Think, in the price of a coffee you can buy the quality cheezein of daily use. Japan gets Daiso in almost every city: Tokyo, Osaka or Fukuoka. Near the stations, inside malls, there's definitely a store of Daiso everywhere. If you go inside Daiso you think like a mini world. Here you can get everything like storage boxes, cleaning products, stationery, beauty products, mobile accessories, lots of things. And the most surprising thing is that it is so low priced to be bawajood. Quality does not compromise at all. Japan's detail-oriented thinking comes in every product. Daiso's products are not only useful, but also very cute and aesthetic. So Daiso is also quite popular for Instagram reels and YouTube vlogs. Daiso is a perfect place for tourists. From here, in the low budget, you can take Japanese souvenirs, gifts and memories with you. Often it happens that you just come to take a thing, and when you get out, the bug is full. Daiso just not a store. This is a reflection of Japan's simple, smart and affordable lifestyle. If you are in Japan, or are planning to come in the future, so do not forget to visit Daiso, because here, in less money, more happiness is found.